Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Diof, and I got another wig review for you guys. This wig is from Julia Hair. It's a 13 by 4 transparent lace wig, body wave, 150 density, and it's 20 inches. So I'm going to be using the Matte Finish Powder Foundation by Kiss. And I'm just going to put that on my lace so that it could look like it's my color skin. I usually put foundation, but I got this powder from Amazon and it was like, I think $7. So, and it's working really well for me. So now I'm just going to take my hot comb and I'm just going to bring all the hair to the back so that I can have some space to actually glue down this wig. This is my first time using Ghost Bond to glue down my wig because like I just be doing the temporary glue with the Got2b spray, but this was a great install. Let's just watch. So once the glue turned clear, I added a second layer just so that, you know, this can last. So now you're going to go ahead and blow dry it. I blow dried for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I ended up doing part by part just to make sure that I'm gluing it down properly. So once you got all 3 sides down, you're going to tie that down and blow dry it again just to make sure that it's intact and it don't move. So once I removed the head tie, it looked pretty glued down to me, but I just added the Got2b freeze spray just to be a little extra so that when I'm cutting the lace off, it doesn't rise. So with this wig, I ended up doing a side part. I don't know, this lace was just giving me side part vibes. So I ended up doing a side part. So I'm using my wax stick and I'm just going to lay both sides down so that we can get to doing the baby hairs. So for baby hairs, you just want to take out the amount that you need. You don't want to overdo it. I like light baby hairs. It all depends on the type of hairstyle and the type of hair that you got. Like if I'm doing a bob, it will be different. So this is my method for like a side part. So once the hairline is tied down, I'm just gonna spray some of this olive oil on the actual hair before I curl it. I did overdo it, but towards the end, it looks 10 times better when it's all oily. And then the next day, I won't have to put any products in it. Guys, when I removed this head tie, I was in love. Like, look at that. It looked really good to me. So this is how it ended up looking. And all I could say is Julia hair, this lace is definitely high quality. Guys, when I tell y'all this hair was so soft, there was barely any shredding. Like, as you can tell, I'm over here feeling myself. It took the heat really well. Like, I have no cons for this video. Like, this hair was truly, nice. I actually like this. So guys, I did end up doing my makeup just for the final look. I did not record this makeup look. This video is strictly for Julia's hair. Shout out Julia's hair for sending me this beautiful wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye guys.